How do us National Park Rangers keep an eye on our wildlife? With your help and a touch of technology, we're launching the biggest citizen science project National Parks UK have ever run. I'm here to introduce you to Look Wild, a fun and free app that's going to teach you loads about nature and help our conservation efforts too. There are only 4 things you need to do to get involved. Get the app, get outside, take some shots. Photos of any plants, animals or insects will do, and you can even record sound. Finally, upload your discovery and your location, and the app will tell you what you saw. That's it. You're officially part of the team and have helped in the huge effort to record, protect and enhance our natural environment. You can use Look Wild anywhere outside national parks too, so why not start your learning today and get out in your own back garden?